Okay, so hi everyone. In this particular video, we are going to see like how I am writing the ad script. Okay, so you can see I am currently writing the ad script for my one of my client who is like Assam #1 yoga coach, face yoga coach. So if you see today is the like 3rd April 2026. So April month is the like one festival coming in the Assam is the Bihu. Okay, so I'm going to write the Bihu ad script for them. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm come on the ChatGPT and here I put it the act like a ad script expert. So like right now this particular chat is available for the ad script. Okay, so here I put it my script. I already written just few minutes back. Okay, so I give them and just tell them to understand this script and give me the like 4 different angle to record the ads. Okay, so I'm trying to test the multiple angle. Okay, so what he giving me, they give me like this kind of the things awareness. So I'm not like this particular na? So I think like it's a not give me like better results. So I come down and then I ask them ki, like you know about the Bihu festival in Assam. So they told me yes, you are referring to Bihu, the most important festival in Assam. So now this particular chat section is know ki what is the Bihu festival. Okay, so they give me the all details related to Bihu. Okay, and another thing what I'm do, I am paste the my offer that I wanted to promote in Bihu Offer. Okay, so this is my offer, and then at an end of the this particular program I write in this is my face yoga program. I wanted to promote this program in Bihu Offer 10% discount. Give me ad script so I can record. So जब मैंने ये वाली चीजें दी, so then he give me the like proper ad script. You can see here is the hook. Bihu के लिए सब ready है, but are you feeling ready? This Bihu outfit, makeup, photo, everything will be perfect. But tell me honestly, will you feel confidently without filters? So it's like more relatable because it's already know what we have to produce. See these 4 ad script we know that is the totally great. So what I do, just I copy the all things, and here he also give me like bonus tips how to shoot in the natural lights, morning or window lights. Speak like you are talking to one person, not audience. Okay, keep first 3 seconds very strong, like hook matter most, and add slide pause before emotional lines. Okay, and use close up framing. So this is the like for if you wanted to record the, so this is the some guidelines. So I just copy this and I remove the unnecessary part like emojis and another things, and I just purify the this particular. Okay, so yeah, I am writing this particular ad script by this particular. Another things what I am doing, I tell them ki like give me the like best prompt to create the image with different angles. So you give me the like some images. So after copy this particular prompt, I go in the like flow is a like image creating tool. So you can see this kind of the prompt ChatGPT give me. This is a like really amazing cool images. You can see we can use it's like look natural, and this is also image we can use for adding some image. So these kind of the things you can get if you are do proper prompting and give them the enough details to your ChatGPT. So it's give me your like best, what I can say, best result. Okay, I hope you like this video. Let me know if you have any questions related to this. Thank you so much. Bye.